All right, people, I got a great plan here for KO. It's a low risk, high reward plan. A lot of people can get into this, and it could be using the September 15, 46 or October 20, 46 calls. It's in the money calls, but let's talk for the plan. So KO is set up for higher prices. Targets are 47.5 to 48. So this stock is really set up to make that move to these levels. Um, you should be able to get to these levels. But no matter if we get to just one of these levels, you're looking at doubling your money in the options. So it's about a 100% gainer. But very safe and very high in your favorites. It's up, and it's been something that's been in the making for many, many months. It's about over 3 months in the making with this double pattern play. Great time frame alignment, and to confirm, it's not going to take much. So KO needs to break over 46.25 on some good action volume. And good action volume for KO is about 800K on the 10-minute chart. So as it's breaking above, so if it was in there, so if it's as it's breaking above 46.25, if we're seeing some good volume like about 800K, well, then you can enter. If not, watch for some basing above 46.25 and look for power towards the 46.35, 46.45 area for confirmation. Even that high of around 40. Anyways, you're looking at for power in between 46.25 to 46.40 to 46 and a half. Okay, those zones. And as soon as we see enough, if we can see some good, 800K smashing through 46.25, in my opinion, would be a very good sign. If not, some basing and power towards 46.35 to 46.45 for entry. And we're looking for these targets. A dollar move in KO is a lot, especially with these options. So now let's go take a look at the options together, people. All right. So here we are at the Yahoo Finance. Coca-Cola closed at 46.19, up 39 cents. Again, this is not a fast mover. Okay, so I suggest, to be honest with you, you want to use at least, you neither can use the Octobers or the Septembers, but the Octobers being the best ones. And today there was some good trading in here. You can see there was about 1,000 contracts, 1,623 contracts spot, and open interest is over here. Now let me show you the August ones. Sorry, I meant the Septembers, and I have them up over here, the September calls. And you can see here that today the September calls, they cost a little bit less, right? There's about a 20 cent difference for that time. But these are for September 15. These should be fine as well. So you have a choice between the October. You can see today, you can see the open interest is very strong in the 46 calls. 11,000, and today there were 2,130. So the 46 calls are very hot. Now even the 47 calls are traded very well, as you can see. But in my opinion, the safest and most money to be made, you want to go right in the money with this one here. 46 calls a minimum. If someone wanted to use the 45s, it could. You can see there wasn't much trading in them, but there is open interest. So you see that the 45 September's or the 46. But again, sweet spot I'm going to mentioning is the 46 calls. I think they're good enough. Either the September 15 or the October 20th. What I'll do is reference the October 20th. Again, so here I have the October 20th calls, and just for reference purposes, the October 20th 46 calls are trading at 85 cents. They'd probably trigger at about an even, I will calculate an even dollar five. Okay, about dollar five on confirmation, and these should easily double to $200 per option. Okay, so whatever, if you buy, for example, 4 lot, okay, or you buy a 10 lot, $1,000. If it triggers at just understand, when I say $1, it means $100. It doesn't matter if I say 1,000, say $10. That's $1,000. That's what it is. Like say this is $3. 3.06 means $3 per option, which is $300 per option because you're owning 100 shares. So it's like, I guess for every one share, you multiply that by 100, right? For 100 shares, I guess that's how you look at it, right? They're showing you the unit cost of each option. So if an option costs $12.32 per option times 100, that's why it's 1,200. Anyways, people, in this case, we're going to talk about these. These will roughly, I estimate, a confirmation of about $1 to $1.05 to even $1.10. That area, we'll find out on the confirmation. Alright people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. As you can see, confirmation is key, study the videos, visit daily. I make a lot of great plans. The key is confirmation. And we take action on confirmation. You want to be a follower of Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits or on Twitter for updates. Just stuff like if the stock confirms, if, taking profits. Usually one of my rules is take profits 100% of the way. In this case, as soon as you should be taking profits, at least especially if you're making 100% in KO, you should be taking profits. And we'll see how it acts as it's getting towards that 47.5 to 48 area. Definitely KO wants to test those areas. It's very bullish, strong pattern, but confirmation is key. Again, I got a great, you should check out this created playlist. You want to subscribe to this channel if you're serious about making money in options. Made a great Tesla plan August the 2nd. That doubled the person's money, but that involved, on that particular plan, it involved buying options. Each option costed about close to $1,000, but that doubled in about 3-4 days. Actually, most likely 3 days. Okay. And so if you invested $3,000, an example, you made that turn to 3,000 went to 6,000. Anyways, you're doubling, right? So again, Tesla is a much more faster moving stock, more riskier, but it worked like a charm through the rules and the setup plan. I'm actually posting another Tesla plan, but it's not as safe as this KO plan. This KO plan is a more slow-paced plan, but you know what? It could still make great money. 100% doubling your money. It could take a couple of weeks. KO, it could only take a week. KO is a much slower stock, so understand that this is not a fast mover, and you need more time for a stock like a KO. So keep that in mind to increase your odds of making money, and you need a good plan. Anyway, see this picture of me? It's going to appear here at the end of the video in a circle of format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So there you have it, people. A great detailed plan for KO. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.